guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make chuleta, or in English they call it the pork chop. This recipe is very simple. It's like a simple Puerto Rican dish. You don't really have to use that much ingredients. It's very delicious. You can pair it with arroz con gandule or just plain red rice and black beans or red beans, things like that. I personally, the pork chop that is going to be in this video is going to be like bone in, but I personally do not like bone in. I'm like the weird kind of Puerto Rican. I like boneless and thin cut. And when I say thin cut, I mean very thin cut. Like I don't know why I'm like this, but the same way that I do this bone-in pork chop is the same way that I do with the thin cuts. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. So you're going to need onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, cooking wine, black pepper powder, sazon, olive oil, and sofrito. I forgot to show you guys my sofrito. And you're going to need the chuleta or pork chop. So now just grab any bowl that you would like to use, wash your meat, and put the meat inside that bowl. And then you're going to add all the ingredients that I told you that you needed in the beginning. Now, I do not measure any of my seasoning. When my mom was teaching me how to cook, she just taught me how to eyeball the seasoning. But be very careful when it comes to eyeballing seasoning, because from personal experience, I've done very questionable chicken that it was so salty that you thought you were going to have a heart attack in 5 minutes. So as a warning, just be very careful when it comes to seasoning. I suggest to just add little by little, cook it, and if you think that you need a little bit more seasoning, then the next time that you do the chuleta or just do the next meal, just add a little bit more until you know exactly how much to add. And then I start to push the seasoning into the meat. Once I'm done doing that, I just flip over the meat and just do the exact same thing I did to one side to the other. Now you're going to add the cooking wine. Now you're going to want to cover up the meat. I preferably like to use the plastic wrap. Then you're going to put it in your fridge. If you have to cook it the same day, then just leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. And if you don't have to cook it that same day, then just leave it overnight. Now put the heat on medium and add your chuleta, and then the little juice that's on that bowl, you're going to want to just add it. Then add just maybe a spoonful of sofrito. And then every 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to want to flip the chuleta over. And that is how you make chuletas. So now you can pair it with any type of rice that you would like. I paired it with just regular plain yellow rice. You can also do arroz con gandule, which is very good with chuleta. I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any recipes that you would like me to try, please let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. This dog, I just can't. I cannot with this beast. This tiny little beast. Why is... Damn, girl. Go fart somewhere else. No.
I just want trust. Why they all tryna knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. Everybody wanna play me. Everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gon' phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time that I come through, take shots, but